Hi, I'm Fran Williams from the Sunshine Coast.
And I'm Kevin Williams, also from the Sunshine Coast.
We've decided to contribute our money towards this very, very worthy cause in order to preserve the beautiful sea life and natural resources that we have here in Niue. And I think what we'd like to see happen with those funds is if we came back in 20 years' time, we'd still see the glorious beauty that exists here at that stage, yeah. And for it to benefit the people of Niue as well. I think anybody who hears about this program should support it because it sounds like an awesome way to support Niue, its inhabitants and the beautiful surrounds. And it sounds like a very well thought out program and worth contributing to, having confidence in where your money's going and that it's making a very good contribution to nature and sustainability.
Yeah, we'd love this place to continue to be the beautiful place that it is and highly recommend visiting it as well.